we're looking for from a partner is someone who shares with us the excitement, the passion for London and for this project. This is a new development that will redefine London and redefine transport. This is the biggest, most important investment in London's transport infrastructure in over 50 years. We're looking for those brands, those organisations to come to us with their thoughts as to how they can help us to activate this space. The Elizabeth line is going to have 280 million people a year on it, more people than in all London's airports combined. It's going to have a state-of-the-art digital advertising infrastructure. We're going to have ribbons that run down escalators in an uncluttered environment. We're going to have large, medium and small format digital panels. There's the opportunity for those 6 partners to work with us on bespoke campaigns, maybe at particular stations, maybe at particular times of year. The Crossrail project is over 90% complete. Yes, I mean, of course, it's a sort of 14–15 billion pound project. These things are always complex, but we are confident that this project will open in time in December this year.